stuff for. We're making tabouli, lentil tabouli. Very easy lentil tabouli. And do you know what we're making it? We're making it for a lunchbox idea, not just for the adults, but also for the older kids that are in high school, I guess, because we don't really make many lunchbox ideas for them. And I know the younger kids don't always like greens, but I know you can have a taste. But I know older kids, I have cousins who are older that go to like high school and they love tabouli in general. And the reason why I wanted to give you this idea was because a lot of kids that are going to high school and they're doing a lot of HSC and studying, they don't get enough nutrients and they end up crashing halfway through the day. But this is great because you can have it in a wrap. They can have it in a wrap, and then that way they're getting their whole grains, they're getting their greens and their protein using the lentils, and it's going to be slow release so that they're going to get that energy throughout the day. Now, parents can also use it as well, but it's very simple and we'll show you how to put it together. So can you help me? Where are the lentils? It'd be funny if he grabbed something else, but yes, he knows what lentils are. So lentils, okay? So lentils in, hand out the way. Oh, lentils in first, yum, yum.
Greens.
Greens. Now, have a smell and tell me which ones they are. I think it's mint. Mint. Oh, I know you know that one. We've got it in our garden. Hair, okay. What's that one? Smell it. We have it in our garden. You love picking it.
Greens.
No, which one? Starts with P.
Peas.
Peas? What do you pick from our garden and put in your dinner? What do you like picking? That's green from the garden. And you said, can you put this in my dinner?
Parsley.
Parsley. So we put parsley in it. Now you can modify this. Your kids might not like parsley but are happy with mint. So you can do that, that's fine. So this is parsley and mint. I just love the herbs in tabouli. It's really good.
Stinging my eyes.
Stinging your eyes. Oh, it's the shallots. So the fresh, well, shallots they are. Okay, shallots. And I'm gonna mix that through a bit. And what about the tomatoes, the little cherry tomatoes? They're really crunchy and make really yummy, yummy tabouli. So yeah, tabouli, put it in there. Oh yeah, these tomatoes look so good. I saw them yesterday. I was like, oh, I gotta get these ones. So just cherry tomatoes. I like the cherry tomatoes. In tabouli, they usually cut tomatoes very smaller, like cube, like chop them up. But I just like the whole, well, half of the cherry tomato because all that beautiful sweetness bursts in your mouth when you crunch on it. Yeah, you love tabouli. And now we just put the seasoning. So I just use lemon juice and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. There you have it, ready to go.
Ready to go.
So now if you like, you can actually, when you're putting the wrap together for kids at school, you could just put just a little bit of hummus on the wrap first and then this on top.
Tabouli.
And then just cut it in half for them and it's ready to go. There is the tabouli salad. I'm going to put it in here because we're going to serve it in a bowl. That looks beautiful. Okay, let's put it in there.
Yummy.
Yum, look at that.
Look at it.
Wow, that looks pretty good. Okay, so there you have it, your tabouli salad for the whole family. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
See you guys for the next one.